Hey, what's going on, good people? It's your boy, Tone, Empire Promotional Services, your Empire Ninja. We are back at it again today. Today, we're going to do a Bella Canvas t-shirt review. Actually, we're going to talk Bella Canvas almost everything. If you are interested in Bella Canvas being your signature line product, man, stick around. We're going to give you some information, especially about their t-shirts. I've been using Bella Canvas for a while now, and yeah, Bella Canvas is one of the top of the lines, all right? So y'all stay tuned. Y'all come back. Before we go to this little small break that we got, do me a favor. If you like the content that we keep bringing to you, do us a favor, hit the subscribe button. Oh, if you're new, hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell notification. Hit the like button. Drop us a comment. We want to keep bringing you all this information. If you're a returner, thank you for being back. If you're a subscriber, we appreciate that. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers because we redid this channel. By getting to 100, we'll probably have a drawing, give away a couple shirts, a couple products, maybe a mystery box. I don't know yet. As we start to grow the channel, we'll get to that point, all right? So just share the information, man. Let your friends know in your industry, man. But y'all come on back. We're going to get to this real quick.
Wave Tech is popping.
People, today, you know, we are here. We are back. It's your boy Tone, Empire Promotional Services. We back in the building. Your Empire Ninja. You have to excuse me. I'm a little under the weather. It's the weather is changing faster than we wanted it to. Usually around this time in August, it's hella hot, but you know, it's kind of cooled and sinuses are really acting up. So, but we got to get this content out. We got to get it to you. We got to let you know. Bella Canvas. We're reviewing Bella Canvas today. All right. So Bella Canvas is one of the premium top of the line. I think it's 1 and 2, upper 1, 2, and 3. You have Gideon, Bella Canvas, next level. All right. So when you talk t-shirts, you starting to see Bella Canvas in a lot of retail shops. When you're talking t-shirts, you're talking Bella Canvas, man. That's what we're discussing. We're not discussing anything else but Bella Canvas. So, I mean, let's talk about it, man. It's super soft. That's number one. This product is nice. I mean, you know, as you can see, I'm not the most fit guy, but you can see how it fits around the arms, you know. It's one of the most popular ones out there. I will say that. It's one of the most popular ones. As you can see, this is the Christophe Armand, my bear friend. You know, money never sleeps. I think that's what that says. Yeah, money. I think it's the one I got on today. So many. Money never sleeps. And a lot of people ask me, why would I take and put the Money Never Sleeps logo on a Bella Canvas shirt? I'm not going to put it on nothing that, if I'm going to my customers, you know, deal with my customers, I want my customers to have a good quality shirt at a good reasonable price. So I'm not out here trying to bust nobody's head, you know. This was the prototype. Just to see how it would do, and it did rather well. I got a lot of good feedback from it. And I put it on a white Bella Canvas, put it on the black. So most of the shirts that I've used is mainly black. And so, just wanted to let you know that, you know, hey, so there's the two major ones that everybody uses is 3001C, and then you have 3001 CVC. CVC is the heather. Those are the ones that kind of look like it's got little dots and, you know, kind of blends out a little bit. These are solid. The heather has like it's like a mixture. You'll see where it looks black and you see little specks of white in there. That's the heather. So, but mostly everybody goes with the 3001C. Bella Canvas comes as a unisex t-shirt, so that means men, women, you know, they even have the little kids that come in fleece. Bella Canvas is, hey, they got some popping colors. If you go to their website, now there's ways that you could get to Bella Canvas. Jiffy shirts, blank shirts, the clothing store shirt, clothingstore.com. Bella Canvas, but if you're really wanting to, because sometimes you might go to these companies and, these sites and they be out. If you're really wanting to stay in tune with everything, then you need to go to bellacanvas.com. They have multitudes of ways of signing up. You can either sign up as retail or you sign up as a wholesaler. Wholesaler means that you want a wholesale account and you have a resale license and you're going to resell these products, okay? So, remember, it's 60 plus colors. All right, so that's a multitude of colors. If you're out here designing things, you have choices on what you can make and print and place and press on multitudes of shirts. Some people have designs. Some people design around the color of the garment, and that's great. Like I said, they have the fleece. I think I was on there the other day on Bella Canvas, and I think I was seeing jogging suits. So, sweats, the hoodies and sweatpants and joggers and things like that. So, yeah, you really want to do your research when it comes to your garments, because you don't want to press a garment and then they go to wash it. Your customer goes to wash it, and your garment starts to, peel away. It doesn't stick, or the threads is coming down. I've washed this 15 times already. 15 times. Okay, maybe 10. I don't know. I started pressing them, and I kept a couple for, display, promotional walk around visual so everybody can see it. And as I started to promote, they started to disappear because people wanted to have them. And so that was that. Bella Canvas also has the tearaway label. So if you're rebranding your business or you want to add branding to it, like the branding of the label on the inside, you can tear away the tag. Also, it's 99% heirloom combined and respun cotton. So basically, just like one of those smooth, soft cottons. It's not the hard cotton, the heavy cotton that you typically will find on some other shirts. We're not going to say names because we're not in the business of bashing these other shirts. I just know for a fact that these shirts, Bella Canvas, are ones that I like to use with the line that we have. We keep them in stock, and that's what we like to do. Also, they're pre-shrunk. So what does pre-shrunk mean? Pre-shrunk means that they don't shrink. They've already been shrunk, washed. So when you wash them, they don't shrink. So they're almost like the relaxed fit true to size. All right, so that's what I like about Bella Canvas. The one thing I didn't like about Bella Canvas at first, when I first started, is at first I couldn't find sizes, but as Bella Canvas became more popular and more popular and more popular, they started to design and have more sizes in stock. So that's the only con I have about Bella Canvas, man. Like, I really, truly, real deal like Bella Canvas t-shirts, and I've been using them as my t-shirts for the last 2 years. So that's my take. That's my full review. I'm not being paid by Bella Canvas. I'm not being endorsed or none of that. This is just it's what I do. It's what I like to do. All right, so with that being said, man, we're going to get up out of here. We are about to roll out because it's time for us to go. We need to lay back down, get some rest. Yeah. All right, so once again, man, it's your boy Tone, Empire Promotion Services. Hey, be on the lookout because the Wearables collection is going to be real special. There's a real special meaning behind that particular collection coming out in the next couple of weeks, maybe in the next month or so. So, yeah, we're going to be dropping the Wearables. And I hope to see you in some of them, in some Bella Canvas t-shirts. Jump on some of these Christophe Armand, the Bird Buddies, my buddy Christophe Armand, and I'll be on the lookout for the wearables, all right? All right, man. Like I said, I apologize. I'm a little under the weather, but I needed to talk to y'all today. All right? I'm going to see y'all when I see y'all, man. Peace.